welcome. We're in kindergarten. We're here in kindergarten, blasting into kindergarten with no idea what we'll face. We're going to kindergarten. Today we will probably face this camera just slowly falling. Because every day there's something, right? Right? All right, so I'm here today because I thought we could talk about a little bit of math. I know we've been watching math videos, and normally when we're in the classroom, math is so hands-on, and I just feel like, you know, we're getting into like talking about each number, so maybe it's time I kind of show you different ways we can represent that number. So when we talk about math, we put our mathematician thinking caps on. That's right, because we're all mathematicians, and we want, right now we're focusing on how numbers represent a specific quantity. So yesterday we talked about the number 1, and today we're talking about the number 2. That's right. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. So show me the number 2 using your fingers. 1, 2. Look at that pen. Sad news. Show me another way to make that number using your fingers. 1, 2. Show me a different way to make the number 2. 1, 2. There are so many different ways we can make that number, right? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, right? There are so many different ways. But what we're going to do is we're going to make a circle map. So show me a circle map. That's right. And I'm going to make a circle map for the number 2. You guessed it. Let's see. What colors do we want to use today? So I'm going to draw. Now normally we would do this on a big anchor chart in our classroom, but since I can't really, I guess if I had something to like put it behind me, but I don't. So for improvising and using just a sheet of paper, I'm going to attempt to adjust this wonderful camera so that you can see what I'm working on. We're gonna have to just make it work. So here we go. Hi. There we go. So we have the number 2. So what we would do in the classroom is we would, using our mathematician brains, we would think of different ways we can show the number 2. The first thing we could do is we could make, we can do 2 dots. 1, 2, right? We can make a dice with 2 dots. 1, 2. We can do 2 tally marks. 1, 2. We can do a number line. So let's say we can have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to put on a dot on the number 2 to represent a quantity of 2. Oh, look at that. It's not even bleeding through. Beautiful. We can do a 5 frame. So this is called a 5 frame. A 5 frame has 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 frames help me count. Say that with me. A 5 frame helps me count. Your turn. Very good. So I'm going to put 2 dots because we're talking about the number 2. So I'm going to show 2 dots in my 5 frame. Ready? 1, 2. There we go. What else can we do? I can draw 2 stars. 1, 2. So that's representing a picture. We could also do a 10 frame. So this is a 10 frame. A 10 frame has 10 boxes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what does a 10 frame do? Same as the 5 frame. It helps us count. So say that with me. A 10 frame helps me count. Your turn. A 10 frame helps me count. Yay! Good job. And I'm going to put 2 dots in my 10 frame. You can put the dots anywhere you want. All right? So I could do 1, 2. Right? What else can we do? We have our tally marks. We have our number line. Ooh, we can make a domino. So let's see. Right here, I can make... We have a dice. Now let's do a domino. 1, 2. We have the number 2. Ooh, we could write the word 2. Ready? It's hard for me to write upside down. 2. What else? We can do some equations. So we can say 2 plus 0 equals 2. Or we could say 1 plus 1 equals 2. Whoops, I did 2 plus signs. Whoopsie. All right. And I know there's like more that we could add, and I'm trying to think. We have a picture. We have a number line, a 5 frame, a 10 frame, the word, the number, tally marks, dice, domino, dots, number sentence. All right, so I think I'm ready to close up our circle map. Yay! So these are different ways that we can represent the quantity of 2. Let's see. Oh dear. It's not one thing, my friends. It's another. Okay. Trying to get it. See if we stay still. It moves. Okay. There we go. Yay! Okay, so these are different ways that we can show the number 2. So on your seesaw assignment, if it has like a 10 frame, you don't have to fill all the boxes unless the number is 10. Okay, but if the number is 2, we just want 2 dots. 1, 2, 1 dot in each box, just like that. Okay, so if you have any math questions, I'm going to try to do some more math videos, so hopefully we can get into a routine of doing this, because this is what we would do in the classroom every day. So, but yeah, all right. Well, thank you so much for watching and for following along, and now you can get started on your math seesaw assignments, and I'll see you later. Bye!